Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you a little bit about this kind of problem I saw with DuckDuckGo. I'm a big fan of private search engines. I think using one is a good, first step or a good tool to have in your arsenal of internet privacy tools. But in doing some research, I found this issue with DuckDuckGo that I think is pretty important and should be recognized. So I've used a few different search engines: Startpage, Search Encrypt, and DuckDuckGo. DuckDuckGo is really well known as far as private search engines and has a lot of users, and a lot of people are really excited to tell you about it and share their experiences because it is a good tool. But I did find an issue with it. So Startpage and Search Encrypt, two other private search engines, if you use them, you'll notice that in your browser history, your searches will just say Startpage search or Search Encrypt search. But with DuckDuckGo, your search term actually shows up in the URL. So if you're expecting a level of privacy locally where another person using your computer can't see what you searched for, DuckDuckGo isn't the best choice. It does have a feature that you can enable that will make that go away, so you won't be able to see your search terms. But if someone's not a power user or super advanced computer user, then they likely won't know how to do that or know that that's even an option. So I think that's something that DuckDuckGo needs to change as far as making their search engine more private by default, and so that any new user that comes to the site, when they're given the expectation that the search engine is actually private, they're actually delivered an experience that is the most private and is as private as one would expect it to be. Another thing, if you use DuckDuckGo and click on a link in your search results, on your search results page, then you can see which links you've clicked because the text is a different color. So if you search for something, someone goes back to your computer and sees what you searched for and searches for it, any links on the search engine page that you clicked for or that you clicked on, they can tell that you went to that website. So those are just a couple things that I think DuckDuckGo needs to fix. In the meantime, you can use Search Encrypt or Startpage as an alternative. So yeah, that's just one thing I wanted to point out. I think it's important. Thanks. Have a good day.